Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have GoPro Hero 11, which one is the best video recording setting. We will see detailed demonstration in this video, especially on GoPro Hero 11. It's very simple. You just watch entire video, fix out same video setting and enjoy the recording as a SD high quality and amazing frame. So let's start as a demonstration. So this is my GoPro. I just simply start here. If you press here, so go your start. Now is start. Some of the important setting we can see here. First of all, scroll down and look at this here. Those setting I just simply activate here both two, because of this one is a speech to text and the noise, and this is if you are walking so fast and the recording is quite good, and that one is very important setting. This one is a operation. If you are active this one, so your frame is locked and you can record very easily, perfect frame. So here three options are coming. One is a video mode, second one is a control and preferences. So we can see one by one. So first is a video mode. So always video mode use as a highest quality, because of the highest quality video resolution and frame rate is helped to capture as a best looking footage possible. That point of view, you go with highest. And here the control, you can go with control as the easiest mode with the video, photos and time-lapse setting with the join point and setting get amazing result. But if you go here, unlocks all present plus give you full control of all mode settings. So I go with always pro. And now here preferences. Inside the preferences, here some of the setting related informations are available. The setup, auto uploaded, wireless communication. Inside the general, here if you want like a beep volume and like auto power on off, some facilities are available here, but not so much information. If you scroll down here, voice control, language, date, and here reset. If you want format your memory card, so you just go here reset entire screen or reset camera tips or format. So if you want format your memory card, so it's very simple and your memory card is format here. Now it's easy. If you purchase new memory card and new GoPro, so first of all you can comfortable this particular memory card. Now we can see as a one by one setting. In this video we can see here just only video related setting, and inside the video related setting, first is a standard full frame, activate mode, cinematic mode and ultra slow motion. So we can see one by one. First of all, standard first position, look at this here, 4K 60 per second frame rate. I select here lens, always I prefer linear lens plus horizontal locks. So this is a best setting from my point of view. Hybrid mode always use as a auto studio. Schedule capture I always go as a off. Duration no limit. Hand sign I always off. Timer also off. Zoom, if here is a zoom is a lock. Port tune 10 bit I always prefer on. Bitrate is high. Shutter is auto. And some other options are available here. EV camp is 0. White balance I prefer always white balance like a 5050. Otherwise you can go with like this. This is the best setting to control the balance of white background. So I go with this. ISO mode I prefer always in auto mode. ISO auto, and here sharpness features are available here. Set a level of detail, capture your photos and video. So I prefer this one is a medium. You can go as a high also. Here the sharpness is like a high, and see this is a features like this. Here color, the GoPro Hero 11 are introducing color factor as a vibrant. Because of this vibrant features is interesting if you have iPhone. So this features including iPhone also available. Raw audio is off. Wind auto outside the capturing some of the video and your voice is controlling via this device. So you can say always auto. Shortcut related options are also available here. Lens, zoom and slow motion and HyperSmooth. This one is always HyperSmooth. So this is the setting of standard. Now we'll see as a full frame setting. I always prefer 5.3K plus 30 frame rate per second. Linear is lock. HyperSmooth is on. Schedule capture I always prefer off. Duration is no limit, high sign is off, timer is off, zoom 1.0x. I always use 10 bit on, like a bit rate is high, shutter is auto, and here the balance related informations are available here. I always prefer this void. Balance is auto, ISO minimum, ISO maximum is auto, sharpness is medium, color is vibrant. I always use entire settings, colors like a vibrant, raw, audio off, wind auto. Here shortcut hyper smoothing, zoom and slow motion mode and hyper smoothing mode upper side. I always prefer this one, this setting. Now third setting is activate. So we can see here which types of setting I already fix out here. Look at this here. Highest setting is a 5.3 60 per second, linear plus living. Because of this one is like a wind filled view without failure anything. If you go with this, so super view also you can decide, depend upon your requirement, but I always prefer like here. So linear, I won't record as a linear frame always, so that's why I use this one. But you can change here in activity option. Hyper smooth is on, capture setting no duration, high speed, timer, and here I always prefer his for tune like a 10 bits on, bit rate is high, shutter is auto, EV camp is 0, white balance is a 5500K, ISO mode is auto, ISO max is auto, sharpness is medium, color is vibrant, and these are the shortcuts like lower left, lower right, lower left, upper right, and those are features. So this setting is very important, and by default I always use. Now next setting comes here in the cinematic mode. So we can see here cinematic mode. Inside the cinematic mode, if you purchase the GoPro, so you can decide here cinematic mode like highest setting, because of 5K is best. Here some of the other settings also available here. If you record some like a Facebook related or Instagram reel, so you can go with this setting like here 8.7, 4.3 and 16.9, but I always prefer 16.9 because of in this frame I can edit any of the frame, which frame I needed. So I go with this. Lens mode is wide, but you can change this lens mode like in a linear and horizontal mode. So 5K I go with this. Hyper smooth is auto boost, schedule capture is off, duration is no limit, hide sign and some other features are available here. Look at this here. For tune I always prefer on, bitrate is a standard. Because of this setting is depend upon your capturing requirement. Shutter is auto, EV camp you can say here, white balance is always prefer auto, iOS max auto, sharpness is medium, color is vibrant, and some other settings. And I always use here lens, zoom, slow motion and hyper smooth in this particular portion. So we can go back here, and now last is ultra slow motion. We can see here in the ultra slow motion which setting I prefer. So ultra slow motion I prefer highest setting 5.3K, 30 frame per second, linear plus lock, hyper smooth is on, schedule is off, duration no limit, and some other is timer off, zoom is 1.3, and here bitrate is standard, shutter is auto, white balance is auto, iOS max 100, and as usual here also sharpness I prefer medium and color is vibrant. iOS max is a 1600. So these are the setting of GoPro. If you are interested to recording as a cinematic, full mode, activity or ultra slow motion, so this setting is very important to capture as one of the best video ever using GoPro Hero 11. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.